Hello, I'm going to be sowing some pepper seeds today. I've got my pot and I filled it with fine seed sowing compost. I'm going to level down the surface of the compost and I've taken it a couple of centimetres below the edge of the container. I then need to give it a good water. And I then need to sow my seeds. I'm going to put 4 in this pot, 1 in each corner. I'm then going to give it a fine covering of compost. I'm using a garden sieve, but you can also use a pot as long as it's got quite big holes in the bottom. And just give it a light covering. Always make sure that you clean around the edge. I say make sure that it's just slightly below the edge of the pot. Get your label, write what it is on it and the date that you sowed the seed. Normally peppers take between 7 and 21 days for the seedlings to appear. Now with a pepper, they can go outdoors once they're grown, but the size of the peppers may be smaller than if you grow the peppers indoors, so it's really best kept under glass. But to help us along our way, I've made a cloche out of a water bottle, and that will fit in the pot like so. Once the seedlings reach 5 centimetres, then this can come off and they can be repotted.